Evolution of the Internet. Millions of people use internet every day, but only few really know how the internet originated. In the 1960s, the US Department of Defense became concerned about the possible effects of nuclear attack on its computing facilities. The Defense Department realized that the weapons of future would require powerful computers for coordination and control. The powerful computers of that time were all large mainframe computers, so the Defense Department began examining ways to connect these computers to each other and also to connect them to weapon installations distributed all over the world. The Defense Department agency assigned with this task hired many of its best communication technology researchers. For many years, it funded research at universities and institutions to explore the task of creating a worldwide network that could remain operational. These researchers worked to devise new ways to build networks that could work independently. That is, networks that did not require a central computer to control network operations. In 1969, Defense Department researchers in the Advanced Research Project Agency (ARPA) used a network model to connect four computers, one each at the University of California at Los Angeles, SRI International, the University of California at Santa Barbara, and the University of Utah into a network called the ARPA net. The ARPA net was earliest of the networks which was eventually called Internet. During subsequent years, many researchers in the academic community connected to this network and contributed to the technological developments that increased the speed and efficiency with which the network operated. At the same time, researchers at other universities were creating their own networks using similar technologies. In 1972, a researcher wrote a program that could send and receive messages all over the network. Thus was born the email, which came to be widely used later on. In 1979, a group of students and programmers at Duke University and the University of North California started USCNet, an abbreviation for Users News Network. The USCNet allowed anyone who connects to the network to read and post articles on a variety of subjects. Although the paper using these networks were developing many creative applications, use of the network was limited to those members of the research and academic communities who could access them. The Defense Department networking software became more widely used in academic and research institutions as the organizations recognized the benefits of having communication network. As the number of people in different organizations using these networks increased, security problems were recognized. The explosion of personal computer use during the 1980s also helped more people comfortable with computers. In the mid-1980s, another federal agency, National Science Foundation, created a new high-capacity network to connect supercomputer centers in the US, also called NSFNet, which was more capable than ARPANet. It merged various independent academic and research networks into each other. In 1984, ARPANet split into two interconnected networks. The military part was named MILNet, and the educational part, which kept the name ARPANet, became known as the Internet.